Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Thule Gateway Pro trunk mounted bike rack. The Gateway Pro comes in both a 2 and 3 bike configuration. We will be demonstrating the 3 bike model in this video. The Gateway Pro fastens to your vehicle securely with 6 nylon straps and rubber coated metal hooks. This bike rack is equipped with Thule's quick fit lever system, which allows for easy adjustment and a perfect fit. For this application, we will be using fit setting number 6 as noted in Thule's fit guide for this vehicle. To install the rack, place the unit on the rear of your vehicle. In this application, the adjustable straps are being clipped onto the vehicle in this configuration. The position of these may be different for your vehicle. Once all the straps are properly tightened, you can tie up the loose ends with the supplied Velcro strap ties. To install the straps that hold your bikes, feed the strap in with the teeth facing down and firmly pull the strap to clip it into place. Repeat this process for all the remaining straps. To load your bike, place it in the cradles. Then, feed the straps around your bike frame and into the buckles. Don't forget the strap that goes around the frame of your bike near the seat post. Another strap is included for when you have multiple bikes loaded onto the rack and you want to keep the front wheels from colliding with one another on the road. To lock up your bike, remove the integrated locking cable, wrap it under the frame of your bike and into the slot located just above the lock. With the key turned to the lock position, the cable will not be able to be removed from that slot. When you don't have bikes loaded, you can fold the arms down out of the way. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule Gateway Pro. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.